Dimenhydrinate is an antihistamine that is used to prevent and treat nausea, vomiting, and dizziness caused by motion sickness. It should not be used in children younger than 2 years old unless directed by a doctor. The recommended dosage for adults is 50 to 100 mg every 4 to 6 hours as needed, with a maximum of 400 mg in 24 hours. It is best to take Dramamine 30 minutes before traveling to prevent motion sickness. Make sure to follow all the instructions on the packaging of the product. If your doctor has prescribed Dramamine, take it exactly as directed. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your doctor or pharmacist. You can take Dramamine by mouth, with or without food. If you're using the liquid form, use a special measuring device to measure the correct dose. Don't use a regular household spoon as it may not give you the right amount. And if you're taking the chewable tablets, make sure to chew them thoroughly before swallowing. The dosage of Dramamine depends on your age, medical condition, and how you respond to the treatment. Don't take more than the prescribed dose or take it more often than directed. To prevent motion sickness, take the first dose of Dramamine 30 to 60 minutes before you start an activity, such as traveling. If your condition doesn't improve or gets worse, make sure to tell your doctor. If you experience drowsiness, constipation, blurred vision, or dry mouth/nose/throat while taking Dramamine, it's important to let your doctor know. To relieve dry mouth, you can try sucking on sugarless hard candy or ice chips, chewing sugarless gum, drinking water, or using a saliva substitute. If your doctor has prescribed Dramamine for you, it's because they believe the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Most people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects, but it's important to tell your doctor right away if you notice any changes in your mental/mood, a fast or irregular heartbeat, shaking, or difficulty urinating. In rare cases, Dramamine can cause a very serious allergic reaction. If you notice any symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help immediately. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you experience any other effects, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. Remember to always seek medical advice if you have any concerns about the side effects of any medication. Before taking Dramamine, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have, as this product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. It's also important to discuss your medical history, especially if you have breathing problems, high pressure in the eye, heart problems, high blood pressure, liver disease, seizures, stomach/intestine problems, overactive thyroid, or difficulty urinating. It's important to be aware that Dramamine may cause drowsiness or blurred vision, and using alcohol or marijuana can intensify these effects. It's recommended to avoid driving, using machinery, or doing anything that requires alertness or clear vision until you can do so safely. It's also advised to avoid alcoholic beverages and to talk to your doctor if you are using marijuana. If you are scheduled to have surgery, it's important to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. For those using liquid products or chewable tablets, it's important to be cautious if you have diabetes, phenylketonuria, or any other condition that requires you to limit or avoid sugar and/or aspartame. It's recommended to ask your doctor or pharmacist about using this product safely. Children may be more sensitive to the side effects of Dramamine, and it can often cause excitement in young children instead of drowsiness. Older adults may also be more sensitive to the side effects of Dramamine, especially drowsiness, confusion, constipation, or trouble urinating. Drowsiness and confusion can increase the risk of falling. If you are pregnant, Dramamine should be used only when clearly needed, and it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. Additionally, this drug can pass into breast milk and may have undesirable effects on a nursing infant, so it's important to consult your doctor before breastfeeding. It's important to be aware of any potential drug interactions with Dramamine. This medication may interact with antihistamines applied to the skin, opioid pain or cough relievers, alcohol, marijuana, drugs for sleep or anxiety, muscle relaxants, and other antihistamines. It's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist about any other products that cause drowsiness, and to check the labels on all your medicines to ensure they don't contain ingredients that cause drowsiness. Additionally, Dramamine may interfere with certain lab tests, so it's important to inform lab personnel and all your doctors that you are taking this medication. If someone has taken too much Dramamine and experiences serious symptoms like passing out or trouble breathing, it's important to call 911 or a poison control center right away. U.S. residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and Canada residents can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include severe drowsiness, seizures, and widened pupils. In children, there may be mental or mood changes such as restlessness, irritability, or hallucinations before drowsiness occurs. Make sure to keep all of your medical and laboratory appointments. This will help your doctor monitor your progress and make any necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. If you forget to take a dose of Dramamine, take it as soon as you remember. However, if it's close to the time of your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take the next one at your regular time. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing Dramamine, it's important to keep it at room temperature and away from moisture and light. Make sure not to store it in the bathroom and avoid freezing the liquid forms of this medication. It's also crucial to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of Dramamine, don't flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Make sure to properly discard this product when it's expired or no longer needed. If you have any questions about how to dispose of Dramamine, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.